Welcome back to the final Digicel Rising Stars results show live on TVJ. Jamaica, are you ready? It's almost that time of the night when we announce your 2019 Digicel Rising Star. But first, we have an extra special performance.
Now I've had the time of my life. I've never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause I had the time of my life, and I owe it all to you.
I've been waiting for so long, now I finally found someone to stand by me. Oh yeah.
We saw the writings on the wall as we felt the magical fantasy. Yeah.
Now with passion in our eyes, there's no way we could disguise it secretly. So we'll take each other's hands, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember,
You're the one thing
I can't get enough of.
So I'll tell you something.
This could be love, because I've had the time of my life. No one ever felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
With my body and soul, I want you more than you ever know.
So just let go, don't be afraid to lose control. Oh, just remember, you're the one thing.
Oh, I can't get enough of.
So I tell you something. This could be love, because I've had the time of my life. No, I never felt this way before. Yes, I swear it's the truth, and I owe it all to you.
'Cause
I've had the time of my life, and I searched through every open door till I find the truth, and I owe it all to you.
Oh, that was so sweet. Guys, come on, stay with me. That was absolutely sweet. Great performance. How are you guys feeling?
Feeling so grateful, I'm feeling so excited, I'm feeling happy.
I'm feeling elated. All right. So we asked one of our past stars to send you some words of encouragement before we make the big announcement. Watch this.
Greetings, Sherlon and Celice here. You know, you guys have made it thus far, and your hard work is finally paying off. You know, to those that never placed this far, don't worry about it. You know, it's a platform. You know, Digicel Rising Stars have been around for so long, and it changes so many young kids' lives. You know, and you know, hopeful musicians. So just apply what you're being taught there, and continue going. You know, cause it's a really good team there. I am tired. It is 12:33 in London, and I'm about to go to the studio. But sending big love, you know, congrats, man. Like, when I win already, you know. You know, bad, you know, bad. I'm glad me enter a long time, you know, cause hey, that whip me them time, man. But sending love. I'm excited for you guys, and it's a new chapter. Listen, please, you know, and apply yourself, and you should be good. Dalton Harris, peace and love to the world.
Thanks, Dalton. Great words of encouragement. These two extremely talented finalists had Jamaica voting week after week, and they truly deserve to be standing on this stage tonight. They have had an exciting journey, and even though I will be calling one name tonight as the winner of this year's competition, always remember that they are both stars. The voting lines closed at 7 p.m. today, and I hope you voted enough for your favorite. Tonight's winner will be leaving with $1.5 million, a smartphone, a $1.5 million grant from the Digicel Foundation, and of course the title of Jamaica's 2019 Digicel Rising Star. If you're ready for that announcement, then let me hear you make some noise. The winner of the Sweet 16 season of Digicel Rising Stars is... Sherlon Russell! Congratulations, Sherlon! Congratulations, Sherlon! Allow me to speak to Celice. Come, Celice. I invite Monique McLeod, Director of Marketing at Digicel, to present second place with a check for $600,000. This is Monique McLeod, Director of Marketing at Digicel, and she is presenting Celice with her check for $600,000. So Celice, you had a wonderful journey. Let's look back at some great moments from the competition.
I don't only want to be the Digicel Rising Star, I want to be a star.
You are young, and I cannot wait to see your star shine even brighter.
Send me the pillow that you dream on, so darling I can dream on.
Your voice is really lovely, and that was, I thought, a super sensitive performance.
'Cause I never knew love like this before.
You have such a nice voice. That's the thing about you. You're one of the more interesting voices in this competition.
Every night, getting longer, and this fire's getting stronger, baby.
Celice, you are awesome. I think there is a star quality about you that is undeniable.
Celice, you are in the bottom two.
Well, I don't even know why Celice is in the bottom two this week, and she was clearly in the lead.
We're at a shock as to why you're in the bottom two, and what Jamaica doesn't see that we are seeing every week. So definitely Celice.
You may not know how, you may not know when, but he'll do it again.
Sounded good, notes were on point, you were supported by the choir, it was just beautiful.
You make me feel like, you make me feel like a natural woman. Yeah.
I thought it was exceptional. I loved it. I loved it from start to finish. I thought it was great.
I think you are excellent. I think you're so I know you are poised. You are poised for greatness.
So I leave what that means me harm. Can't go back where they came from.
Celice, lion paw. Look here. That is how you take a Jamaican song and fight with it.
Behind me science man come, because them can't squeeze the lion paw. No demonic words
perform shall prosper.
What you see are tears of joy. Sherlon Russell, you are this year's Digicel Rising Star. How you feeling?
I'm just feeling grateful to God and all the supporters. You guys basically chose me to be the Digicel Rising Stars winner for 2019, and I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I hope that I will just be an inspiration to you in the future through songs and through anything that I can do.
All right, man of God. The 2019 Digicel Rising Star winner receives a cash prize of $1.5 million. And to present the winner with the check, please welcome the CEO of Digicel, Alison Filbert. Congratulations. Say cheese, Sherlon, say cheese. This is the 2019 Digicel Rising Star. Thank you so very much, Ms. Filbert. Now, Carleen Dawson of the Digicel Foundation will present Sherlon with the check for the $1.5 million grant for their community project. Congratulations. This is fantastic. Still crying tears of joy. Thank you so very much. Thank you, everyone. Well, that's it. Digicel Rising Stars is officially over for 2019, and it was an amazing season. Jamaica, thank you for all your support this year. Next year will be bigger, better, and more extraordinary. Thanks to Loud Fashion and Chic and Trendy for my gorgeous outfits tonight, and Earl's Fashion in Mobe, and Enigma for dressing the swag boss, Conroy Wilson, and Loud Fashion for styling Elaine. Special thanks to Mannequin Pieces, Tamuchi Boutique, and Chic and Trendy for outfitting the contestants tonight. Thanks to all the sponsors, Digicel, D-Music, TVJ, and Crystal Villas Hotel. Our production suppliers, STT Entertainment, MMJ Limited, and all our supporting vocalists, Ifidel, Patrice, Raquel, Roslyn, Karine, and Carl. The musical team, Peter, Jeremy, Jan, Ivad, Sydney, and Mike. And of course, the very hardworking and extremely talented production team. I'm your host, Terry Carell Reed. Your 2019 Digicel Rising Star will take us out.
Everybody's looking for that something, one thing that makes it all complete. You'll find it in the strangest places, places you never knew it could be. Some find it in the faces of their children, some find it in your lover's eyes. But who can deny the joy it brings when you find that special thing? You're flying without wings. So